Leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. And Virat Kohli and Cristiano Ronaldo are two tremendous leaders ever known, who, with their perseverance, sacrifice, and hard work, prove to be majestic not only for themselves but also for their team. Dear viewers, leadership is a vital skill to be able to lead successfully in the VUCA world. Leadership is nothing but making the proper communication, and Kohli and Ronaldo understands it more than anything. They have the essential ability to stay calm under the most extreme circumstances, an attitude to win every game, and a vision for their team, which gives them an upper hand over anyone else. So dear viewers, here are 5 common leadership skills of Virat Kohli and Cristiano Ronaldo that helps to become a transformational leader in the VUCA world. And number 1 is consistency. So the foremost thing that separates Virat and Cristiano from rest of the world is their all-time consistency. They are dominating every format of game by piling on plenty of runs and goals every day. Since their debut, they have continuously focused on improving their skills, and thus we can say that with each passing day, both are becoming stronger and almost unbeatable. Both have broken a plethora of records and have been creating new records as well. And this is a vital step for becoming a leader. Number 2 is incredible fitness. Both have set an example of fitness for young cricketers as well as footballers. They have given their priority to health and have trained their body exceptionally well. They have maintained their bodies and always looked in great shape, which makes them even more potent. They follow a strict diet plan to keep themselves focused, confident, and determined. You need a fit body and a sound mind to take on various adventurous journeys. And with the given pandemic, every leader needs to keep his and his team's health in check. Now we'll come to number 3, and number 3 is commitment. Virat Kohli and Cristiano Ronaldo have shown an extraordinary dedication towards the game on many occasions. They have always been very passionate, respectful, and extremely committed towards the game. If you get this right, then you can achieve all the qualities that are mentioned above. Your commitment towards a destination makes you and your daily routine efficient and enables you to achieve a sustainable personal development with keeping your work life in check. Remember, dear viewers, if you are committed enough, then no journey is long or impossible, and you are on the right way of becoming a perfect leader. Number 4 is say no to pressure. Kohli and Ronaldo are the ones who flourish under pressure, which signifies a really true achiever. For any aspiring profession, the quality to deliver under the most intense pressure is worth achieving. And we all know, jo dar gaya samjho. We hope it never comes to that for anyone. The ability to keep moving under pressure and not give up under situation where the light at end of tunnel seems bleak. Number 5 is responsibility. If we talk about business, managing team, or handling media, a responsible man knows how to deal with everything. There is a vital element of maturity that makes Kohli and Ronaldo better at what they do. While many blame luck, field, and weather, they took the responsibility for the entire team and believed in making proper decisions. Remember, dear viewers, a responsible leader is a successful leader. So if you want to become a successful leader in your field and want more videos on leadership, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever we come up with a new video. And at the end, thanks for watching.